How to recover Telegram hacked account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover Telegram hacked account. So if your Telegram has been hacked and you don't know what to do, this is the simplest trick in the book where you can recover your Telegram hacked account. And for that, we'll just be using Telegram's support. So for that, simply head over to a web browser and then search for Telegram support. After you search for Telegram support, you will see the Telegram support website open up. Simply tap on it and then you'll be on this page. Now right here, what you'll need to do is you will need to tell them something like your email, your phone number, and after that you will need to also tell them that your account has been hacked. And after doing that, what you can do is you can even tell them if you know who has done them, or if you have any more information, you can even send them screenshots with that, and then your full legal name and your username, your email. So they will get back to you on your email, so make sure that you provide your correct email. They might be sending you the way to recover your account and then your phone number. So after doing all of that, tap on submit and they should get back to you. And again, if this does not work, what you can do is you can always find ethical freelancing hackers who can hack back your account and give them back to you. So you can do that as well. Just use the trick that works for you and then you can recover your Telegram hacked account. And that is basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.